So what does the Brexit uncertainty mean for growth markets and investment? Chris Pissarides, do we now also need to model the fact that we could see early elections with a Jeremy Corbyn at the top?
I don't think we're likely to see them because, really, I mean, basically it's simple. No one wants to step into Theresa May's shoes currently. There is so much uncertainty going on. Europe doesn't care as much about Brexit as we are saying here, as we are seeing in our media here, in the press here. Europe is concerned much more about immigration in the Eurozone, in Italy and countries. So in a way it makes it worse for Britain because Europe is waiting for Britain to come up with the initiatives. They come up with something, the Europeans say it's not good enough, then there are disagreements within the cabinet. No one wants to take over power now. What they're waiting for is at last for Britain to get out, to see what deal is there, hopefully voted by Parliament, and then force a general election, given the instability of the government in Parliament, and then we might be seeing a Jeremy Corbyn, in fact, then, and I guess that's why he's playing very safe with Brexit and not taking a clear view as to whether he's for or against.
Burkhard, what's your read across? I mean, is it a Brexit? Do you like UK assets, or do you actually look at the flip side and say, well, because of a populist Italy, because of concerns in Germany, they want to keep the bloc together and therefore will be tougher on the UK?
No, we're actually overweight UK assets, UK equities, as opposed to Eurozone equities, which we're underweight. But that's a call which is really driven by both valuation as well as the fact that the market in and of itself is slightly more defensive than the Eurozone equity market. So we like it at this point in time. But this political uncertainty of will it be a hard Brexit, soft Brexit, is impossible for anyone to call. And as that carries on, it will continue to create turmoil in pound sterling, which we believe should go up from here, and in equity and bond markets.